Hello dear students, today's class is for the revision of set off and carry forward of losses, the concept and clubbing, and with that we will practice MCQs and some other objective questions, true and the false and fill in the blanks which are asked. Okay. Many of the students think set off carry forward, no, okay, even if I leave, please don't. It's true that like business head and capital gain, these are the topics, salary, which come in every exam for 8 marks, 10 marks. But when they are asking set of carry forward problems, it is 8 to 10 marks individual problem for set of carry forward. And logically, if you understand, it's like my maths is not good, but it's like board marks kuch padte hai na, plus minus is minus and minus minus. The rules are there. So like that in set of carry forward, we have rules. If rules are clear to you, you will be able to attempt the question for the MCQs, the questions which is given in the exam. Okay. Like, this now because almost like we've completed the whole portion. Shall I tell you one secret? 95 video lectures are over of 2 hours each. So one, I don't know, 95 multiplied by 2 karo. So 100 hours ki upar learning we have done together patiently with you all. Every chapter, one concept, one problem. So like just now, if I talk with you on deductions, next week we are going to do the revision for deductions. When I say deductions, there are hardly chances of getting exclusive question for deduction. Question number 115 marks, compute the income. So heads of income and deductions and MCQs. But this set of carry forward specific question is asked. And the beauty of this chapter is there are many items which we will not give effect. So either you write a note below the solving the problem that this much loss is carried forward, or if you feel, ma'am, later on I may miss out, you can write it there itself. The losses to be carried forward. Okay. And for CMA, this time the exam is online. So separately, we will discuss one day how to approach these online exams. Okay. So there's a different way. Shuru karte hain, set off and carry forward. I am first not going to share the Word document and read and do all that. है ना? Not required, I feel. I will explain the concept, and if you feel my speed is more or anywhere it's not clear, let me know. The name of this topic is set off and carry forward of losses. So we have 5 heads of income. So income from salary, there is no question of loss. Do you agree? Because in gross salary, maximum deduction, standard deduction allowed is only 50,000, right? And entertainment allowance or whatever you can say, thoda sa hi wo bhi government employees ko, profession tax, all. So there's no question of loss in the head salary. Okay. Now for all the other heads, first section in this chapter is section 70. It says intra head within the same head. Can you adjust? Answer is yes. If I have house property 1, 2, 3, H1 and H2 have loss, H3 have profit. Can I set off? Answer is yes, I can. Business loss, can we set off? Yes. Even if the business is not continued, yes. Nowhere they gave the condition that loss is related to a business which you have closed in 2017. No problem. So first, within the head, what you try to set off is intra-head adjustment. Once you are not able to do, you go out of the house. Right or not? Small problems we talk with our siblings, brothers, sisters, parents. नहीं हुआ तो बाहर जाएंगे, mentors, teachers, counselors. तो हम भी घर के बाहर. We are going out of our head to set off the losses with other heads. If that is also not possible, can we carry forward this year's loss to be set off in next year's income as and how we get income? Yes. So what are the carry forward rules? How many years I should carry forward? Is filing the return mandatory and all? So only these are the 3 important sections in set off and carry forward. So first I am starting now with revision of intra-head adjustment. Within the same head, can you set off? Answer is yes. Salary, there's no question of loss. Income from house property, you can set off. इनकम फ्रॉम बिजनेस हेड में आ जाओ. B1 is profit, business one. B2 is loss. Set off allowed. It's allowed to be set off. Okay, right. Now in business head we have speculative loss. Now the definition of speculative loss is given actually in business head first page. It says a kind of business where you don't take delivery of the items. Huh? I have purchased 1800 bags of sugar from you at 1000 rupees per bag, 100 kgs or whatever, just. And within 2 days, I'm selling to you at 1200, 200 profit de do, loss hai to. So speculative transactions are where you are not taking the delivery. Exception to the rules are that derivatives is a market. In share market we have a transactions called as derivative market, commodity market, where we can do transactions, futures and options. You know, bundle mein you can buy dollars and all. That is an exception to the rule. I have written here and I have written it in the boost list. अरे बाप रे, फोन बजे तो चॉकलेट खिलाना पड़ता है. One second, one second. Yeah. You know, if it is face to face class, किसी का भी फोन बजे ना तो we say फोन बजते रहना चाहिए and go and get they say go and get eclairs for all. Okay. Some queries you are asking, dear students, if it is related to set of fine. Otherwise, last I will wait and clear all the other queries. Like you are asking, कि online exam पूरा MCQ होगा? No, dear. This set of 8 marks problem you will have to work on the sheet and the step answers you have to write. I'll work out and show and take a separate class for how to attempt the online exam. Okay. So let's not get diverted. And I hope the volume and all is clear. Chalo. So speculate in business, you have business loss and you have speculative loss. Speculative loss can be set off only in speculative profit. Speculative loss cannot be set off in business profit. Super clear? Business loss can be set off in business income. Business loss can be set off in speculative income. But speculative loss cannot be set off in business income. I hope you are getting. Can I say speculative loss is very introvert, rigid. It's not coming out of his house. Speculative loss, speculative profit set off. Ma'am, if there is no speculative profit, what do we do? Carry forward the speculative loss next year, 4 years. Chalne do. I hope you are getting what I am saying. Business loss kahin bhi set off hoga. And house property, no thumb rule. Intra-head, it's allowed to be set off. And salary, there's no question of loss. Now come to capital gain. We call it very high fundu head. Really. This is not in a way of joke or whatever you say, but you will remember it very nicely, and this technique is workable for this chapter. So this long-term capital, this capital gain chapter is, you know, we call it luxurious chapter. They stay in a bungalow, but their duplex bungalow, bus, they don't come out. That's why I've put it in this block. Now in this bungalow, two brothers are saying, what is their name? Short-term capital loss and long-term capital loss or gain. So देखो, long-term capital loss can be set off only in long-term capital gain. Long-term capital loss cannot be set off in short-term capital gain. See, we have done all this in regular class. I have given you time to write these notes also. I am doing revision. So I hope you are not feeling it's buttified. You are understanding logically. Long-term capital loss, you know, it's for like 8 years you can carry forward. So they are saying long-term capital loss, you put it in long-term capital gain. Long-term capital loss you cannot set off in short-term capital gain. Long-term you can say is a big brother. He stays in duplex house also at first floor, and he's not ready to come down also. That much rigid. Who? Long-term capital loss. Short-term capital loss, fine. Short-term capital loss can be set off in short-term capital gain. Short-term capital loss can be set off in long-term capital. Take your time. Capital gain में two lot kind of losses are there. Short term capital loss anywhere, short term long term दोनों में set off होता है. So short term younger brother staying down and he goes up and down, no problem. Elder brother staying upstairs, what is his name? Long term capital loss. Long term capital gain में ही set off होगा, it's not coming out of the house. And both of these are staying in their bungalow, they are not ready to come out. Means if we have loss under capital gain and intra-head, within the head we are not able to set off, can we come outside and set off with other heads? Answer is no. Capital gain is a luxurious head. Within the head, do limited adjustment. If not, stay there. Next year. पड़े रहो घर में. अच्छा, one nice question. They are not ready to come out of the house, their bungalow. Can we go to their bungalow and have tea and coffee and come? Can we go and say them hi and hello? Yes. That means if I have business income and if I have short-term capital loss, can I set off? Loss means we put it in bracket. Can I set off? Answer is yes. Oh sorry, really. उल्टा ड्रॉ किया मैंने. बिजनेस में लॉस है और शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन है, तो कैन यू सेट ऑफ द बिजनेस लॉस इन द शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन? यस. We are going to their house. That loss will not be set off here. Reverse is not possible. Clear to all of you or not? And the last one is income from other sources. In income from other sources, we have business of horse races. Then horse races loss can be set off in income from horse races. I want to repeat. Horse races का जो loss है, it is set off in income from horse races only. That's why I have put it. Whenever I am putting in the bracket, right? If you are again watching this as a video, pause this, okay? And make notes if you have missed this class or take it from anyone. Income from owning and maintaining horse races में अगर loss है, if there is loss, it will be set off in the horse races only. Okay? Yeah. Now, okay. In income from other sources, we have casual income. You know what is casual income? Lottery, prize, games, winning from KBC. In that, 4 fundas are there. And the funda says, in casual income, no deduction. ATC to ETU, कोई deduction नहीं मिलता. No basic exemption. I am a housewife. I have won a lottery of 4 lakhs. Can I say to government, give me 2,50,000 basic exemption? No. No expense allowed. I have won 1 lakh rupees in the KBC. But I traveled from here to Mumbai to and fro, staying in hotel. Lottery ka ticket ka expense is also not allowed. And no set off. So remember this 4 thumb rules for the casual income, which is taxable and income from other sources. No basic exemption, no deduction, no expense allowed, and no set off. Okay? Clear to all of you? Right. So this is all. And one more thing, dividend income is taxable now in income from other sources, and only for companies deduction is allowed for interest up to 20% of dividend received, only for companies. Okay? Right. So dividend dividend का deduction ATM में only for companies है. ATM they have added the deduction. Here, whatever dividend you receive from this year, it is taxable because 115O corporate dividend tax CDT DDT has gone. So interest is allowed as expense 20% of dividend received. To invest in your company shares, I have taken loan from others. and I have paid them interest, whatever may be the actual interest, 20% is allowed. Okay. And loss from gambling and all, it's not allowed to be carried forward. Huh? You have to write a note. Okay, business side, I missed one thing which is actually very much asked in exam in MCQs. So now dhyan se. In business, we have studied section 35 AD, specified business of cold chain, 2-star and above hotel, 100 beds and all, multi-speciality hospital, housing and all that. Now this is SB means this specified business may, if there is a loss, that can be set off only in specified income. Specified business loss can be set off only in specified business income, maybe in different cities. For example, I have opened a new hotel 2-star and above in Tirupati, and there's a loss because in 35 AD capital and revenue all the expenses are allowed. But I already have a 2-star and above hotel near Taj Mahal. That is like from 7 years. So can I set off this loss and this profit? Answer is yes. But 35 AD loss, the speciality is it can be carried forward for indefinite period. You know, routine class is good. I explain little bit and I give you time to write. This revision classes are straining because continuously I am speaking. So I finished intra within the same head adjustment section 70. I finished. Ask your doubts, or if it is clear, put me a message. All clear. You know, sometimes you do thorough revision of the chapter. Sometimes just spare 15 minutes and brush up, you know, hi, hello, bolte rehna hai. Otherwise, income tax, you may forget. That's one of the things because it's not debit, credit and basic funders. Salary, no question of loss. House property, intra-head, it's allowed. Business head, intra-heads, it's allowed. But speculative loss, speculative income. Business loss, speculative income या business income दोनों में set up होगा. 35D only in 35D. Long term capital loss only in long term capital gain. Short term capital loss, short term capital gain, long term capital gain कहीं भी लग जाएगा. And casual income में these 4 fundas are there. Okay. Now here we talk about friendship. It's friendship day, no ना. तो अभी याद रखना है आपको. Friendship की बात होती है तो 1 and 3 are not friends. They are giving superb question. You know, I'll tell you. Business में they will give loss and salary income and student minus करते हैं और gross total income and then they calculate the tax. Everything goes wrong. Salary income 5 lakh, business loss 1 lakh, set off नहीं होगा. Why? 1 and 3 are not friends. See, I've written here. 1 and 3 are not friends. Business loss can be set off in house property. Business loss can be set off in capital gain. Business loss can be set off in income from other sources, but not salary. Clear to all of you? Chalo. Next thumb rule now we are going. Next ones we are doing. Interhead. Okay, we tried to do the juggling and do the set off within the same head. If not possible, can we go hi and hello? Can we say to our neighboring heads? Answer is yes. House property loss can be set off with other heads up to 2 lakh. If you have running notes के लिए have opened a notebook, pen है हाथ में लिखो. ये fill in the blanks MCQs में हर बार आता है this question. House property loss is 3,50,000. But if you are not able to set off within that income, how much you can set off outside? I just want to give you an example. See, suppose house property is 3.5 lakhs. How much you can set off in outside? 2 lakh. So 1.5 what you will do? Straight carry forward without outside setup. Thumb rule is intra-head, then inter-head, then carry forward. Good. But this intra-head, House property loss with other heads, you can set off only up to 2 lakhs. सुना सुना लग रहा है? 2 lakh rupees. Yes. In case of self-occupied, the interest allowed is 2 lakh. Right. Chalo. So, see, I gave an example also. Like 2,30,000 is the loss. 2 lakh you can bring outside to set off in the 4 heads, and 30,000 you need to carry forward. Okay. Business loss cannot be set off in salary. 1 and 3 are not friends. You know, if you write like this one day before exam, it will be clear. Don't write like this in exam. दीप्ति मैम ने ऐसे सिखाया 1 and 3 are not friends. याद रखना है और उसको अप्लाई करना है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते वक्त. Okay, you need to apply this. Capital gain loss can be set off only in capital gain. Intra-head की बात ही नहीं है. Neither short-term nor long-term capital loss is not ready to come out of their house. Leave them. Business loss, house property loss, income from other sources can be set off in capital gain. They are not ready to come out. We can go and live in their living room, say hi, hello, and come. Income from horse races, casual income, no losses, no set off and all. Okay. So here we complete, and presentation is important. At least you write one note like this, what losses your only set off is over. Carry forward I am teaching. Yeah. Monica, what is your doubt dear? 2 lakh is the maximum house property loss you can set off in interhead. Intrahead कितना भी set off करो. I'll clear your doubt. House 1 there is a loss of 4 lakh. House 2 there is an income of 7 lakh. Can I set off full 4 lakh? Answer is yes. How much income I will show? 3 lakh. So within the head, intrahead there is no limit there. 2 lakh rupees the only loss you can set off, that is intra-head with other heads. That's why I said here the कहाँ गया वो example? ये है ना? Here the loss is 230. 2 lakh you can set off and 30,000 carry forward. I hope I have cleared your doubts. Like this, related doubts are there. Make sure you clear it. You know what happens otherwise? You are not listening to what next I am saying. Your mind is stuck up there. ऐसे नहीं करना. तो आंस आई एम टेकिंग अ पॉज हियर. कुछ और डाउट है या क्लियर है? ऑल क्लियर? एटलीस्ट इफ यू आर आस्किंग अ डाउट, टेल मी वेदर इट इज क्लियर्ड और नॉट. दीज आर ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स ना. चलो ठीक है, अभी मुझे इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. 1 second ना, आई विल शेयर द थ्योरी स्क्रीन विद ऑल ऑफ यू एंड देन वी गो टू द एमसीक्यू. Look at this. This is our material Word document for this chapter. So now we have finished this. Intra-head हो गया. We have finished inter-head. What I explained you in the form of diagram, all that is given here. ठीक है, चलो. Now carry forward. See, if we are not able to set off the losses with outside, can we carry forward that loss to the next year? Can we carry forward that loss to next year? Yes. Few losses for 8 years, few for 4 years, few for indefinite. Chalo, let us see. Loss from house property you can set off in house property only. Acha, next year you can't go and roam in your neighboring colony. Next year when you are carry forwarding house property loss, house property में ही set off करना. Business loss, business income. But you know, same property and same business should be running in the next year. Not necessary. Am I making it very clear? So house property loss you can carry forward for 8 years and set off in house property. Business loss 8 years. Business में unabsorbed depreciation indefinite period. Speculative loss 4 years. Speculative income में. Short term capital loss. शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल लॉस यू कैन कैरी फॉरवर्ड फॉर 8 years. शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म दोनों में सेट ऑफ करना. लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल लॉस यू कैन सेट ऑफ ओनली इन लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल. ओनिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग हॉर्स रेसेस 4 years. एक स्पेक्युलेटिव 4 years है, एक लॉस फ्रॉम ओनिंग मेंटेनिंग 4 years. सी मेकअप का जमाना है. 3D 5D मेकअप करो. यू ऑल हैव दीज नोट्स विथ यू नो स्पाइरल मटेरियल. सो पुट डिफरेंट कलर टिक्स हियर. Put a star mark here. So that last moment when you do the revision one day before exam, it should be clear. Yes, loss from speculative business. That is for 4 years. Owning and maintaining horse races 4 years. Unabsorbed depreciation indefinite period, and loss from specified business also indefinite period. But one thing is there, unabsorbed depreciation indefinite period, and next year also we call unabsorbed depreciation as like Brahmas. Next year also you can carry it forward for indefinite period, and next year also it will roam around in any of the heads. कहीं भी set off होगा except income from salary. Why? Because unabsorbed depreciation is a part of business loss, and business loss and salary are not friends. So don't fall into this water slide please. ये बड़े वाला water slide है, इसमें गिरना नहीं. मैम आपने तो बोले unabsorbed depreciation can be set off anywhere, not in salary. Okay, right. All type of losses can be carried forward for 8 years except horse races and speculative loss 4 years. Only in case of owning and maintaining horse races, business must be continued. If you have a business of horse races and if there is a loss, running year may not be for whole year, but you should have 2-3 months also the business to be continued so as to set up. Rest nowhere it is required. You know, I am setting out house property 1 ka last year ka loss now. In house property 2 and house property 1 I have sold last year only. Still allowed. In any loss except house property, loss and loss on account of unabsorbed investment and all, return must be furnished. Again you mark this as MCQ के लिए खास. House property loss, even if you file the return late, belated return, 139, 3 or 5 revised return and belated return we have, no? 139, 1, 139, 5. So, even if you file belated return for house property, you can set off the loss. But other losses you need to set off only if you file your return your time. So make sure if you have capital gain loss, house property loss, business head, ऐसे अगर losses हैं तो make sure that you file your return on time. Filing of return is mandatory and all. And you know sequence, we can't say अरे unabsorbed depreciation तो कभी भी set off करेंगे, पहले दूसरा करो which is going to. So current year's depreciation you have to set off first. You can't say current year's depreciation तो indefinite period है. Last year का loss, this is the 7th year. If I don't set off, it will lapse. No. Current year's losses, scientific research, family planning, ये पहले set off करो. Brought forward loss, then brought forward depreciation and all. Okay, right. Okay. Now you know in case of this is asked as a theory question also, amalgamation. X company is amalgamated or merged with Y company, and X company has loss. This business loss or any loss, business lossy or of X company can be allowed to be carried forward by Y company provided they fulfill conditions की 5 years तक 3/4 machine continue करना and business continue करना and all. If all the above conditions of set off loss of depreciation shall be deemed to be income. Okay, 1 minute, but this loss ये कहीं दिया नहीं है. This is allowed for fresh 8 years. Note it down. If you want, note it down. If they satisfy these conditions, then amalgamated company, जो X Limited है, closing company, their loss, business loss, can be carried forward for fresh 8 years by Y, and unabsorbed depreciation for unlimited period. Okay, chalo next now. Closely held company, super private company are allowed to carry forward their losses if 51% of the voting power held by the shares carrying not less than 50% on the last day of the year in which loss occurs. Super. You have a loss in 16 and 17, and you want to set it off in 20 and 21. Are you allowed? Yes. But at least 51% of shareholders who were there in 16 and 17's last day, when you have shown that loss, should be same. If they are same, you are allowed to set off the loss. These 51% and all is also asked in fill in the blanks. Above restrictions do not apply if the change in voting power is due to death. तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Gift by a shareholder to his relative. You know, sometimes father is retiring and he transfers the shares of private company by way of gift to his son. So father की जगह son ने ले ली तो assume that 51% is same. Am I going fast or my speed is fine for revision? Set of carry forward is very nice topic और अच्छे problems हमने किए थे इसमें. Yes. So that's all for the revision of this. We will practice the MCQs. और shall we revise the clubbing also? फिर मिला के MCQs करेंगे जितना time है. What do you suggest? We should go as you wish. Shall we finish the revision of the clubbing also? Small topic, no? Clubbing of income like club sandwich. आने दो. सबकी income आने दो. 1 second, I'll have to close the file. Clubbing. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So now we are starting the revision of the topic called clubbing of income. Listen, all of you, dear students. I'm not teaching you this topic. I'm doing revision. So with emphasis, I will go for the points where usually students do this mistake. And this is a very simple topic, 2 pages ka hai. So I'm just revising it orally. Then I'll share the word screen also, and then we will go for the MCQs practice. Listen now. What is happening in clubbing of income? See, first you are getting income from 5 heads. In the 5 heads, if there is any loss, plus minus, how do I do? That is set off. Clubbing is others' income. Is it clubbed or merged in my hands? Answer is yes. Then in what cases? So clubbing is basically section 64. There are around 6 cases wherein others' income is clubbed in my hands. So clubbing of income, one very basic question asked repeatedly is, will the income clubbed of others, my spouse, my children, my any daughter-in-law, जो भी clubbing होता है, I'm asking you some question, you need to answer this. Shall we add it in my income from other sources or shall we add it headwise? क्या पता? बोलो, say. Yes, put it in the chat. And if you're seeing in mobile not get able to type, it takes time, तो unmute करके बोलो. No. Such a quick answer. Very good, very good. Your answer is correct. But let us wait for more answers. And can you all please keep your chat open for everyone, not to me. Keep it open for everyone as if this is a live class going and how do you answer? Yes, very good. सबको exemption मिलने वाला है. अच्छा पढ़े आप सबने. Yes. So whenever the income is clubbed, it has to be clubbed headwise. For example, I'm not transferring the property to my sister, Monica. I'm just saying to my tenant, give the rent to my sister. No, she is only using the property and out of that she will pay the college fees and all. Genuinely, I'm not enjoying the rental. Still that rental income will be taxable in my hands because I am the owner. So will this income be clubbed? Income is received by Monica, my younger sister. Will this be clubbed in my hands and other source? Answer is no. Headwise. Clubbing is headwise. And you know, these are asked in exam, but they are not clear in your theory. So you write the running notes that clubbing is always done headwise. If your house property income is clubbed in my hands here. Suppose my spouse is receiving the salary from somewhere where I am a partner and he's not qualified to do that work, but still he is receiving the salary and commission just because he's my spouse. So it's like fake entry, no? So this kind of income will be clubbed in the hand, spouse income will be clubbed where? Business head. Yes, minor's income. कहाँ से आ रहा है? If minor को some gift is given by दादाजी and minor has made FD, FD's interest is coming to minor. Minor's income is clubbed in the hands of the parent. This is like highlights. I'm recently, to be very frank, recently I'm learning Instagram. तो उसमें मुझे कुछ ऐसे दिखा highlight ऐसे. तो मैंने I have not yet started chapter revision. These are like highlights, pop-ups which come in every exam. कहीं ना कहीं minor's income is clubbed in the hands of the parent who is having higher income. But while clubbing in the income of the parent who is having higher income in the very first year, done. Next year it will be clubbed in the seniors. Next year my husband's income is more. So will my son's income clubbed in my husband's income? No, no, no. First year it was clubbed in my hands, it will continue. And in case of the parent who live apart by way of divorce, तो फिर income किसके हाथ में club होगी? The parents who is maintaining the minor child. Okay. Generally, minor marriages are not allowed legally. But if we have minor married daughter, she is married, daughter, minor, will the income be clubbed or not? Some of you are saying, ma'am, we thought it's revision class. You didn't say it's art test class. The answer though? Quick answer. Some of you giving, all of you should answer. I'll repeat my question for everyone. Minor married daughter's income, will it be clubbed in the hands of the parents? What is the answer? Yes, yes, yes. Some of you are writing S, S, S. Chalega. Done. Super. Very correct. Married minor daughter's income is also clubbed. And how many minors' income shall I club? 3, 4 children all in one hands, or can we divide? No, no, you cannot divide. All minors' income is clubbed in the hands of the parent who is having highest income burden. See, income tax, most of the act is lopsided. Department के favor में. And for every minor child, we get an exemption. This comes in match the pairs. Can someone say the section? Minor's income up to a limit is exempt under this section. Fill in the blanks. Very good. Up to 1500 per minor child, you get exemption. And are you all comfortable the way I am teaching? I have not shared the screen because screen पे लिखा है तो वो फिर पढ़ना लगता है. You will not try to answer this. I am trying to build up confidence in you all. समझ में आ रहा है orally? Focus in the class, so it will be clear. So minor's income is clubbed in the hands of parent. For every minor child, up to 1500 deduction is enough. You can say, ma'am, minor's income 800 now. Deduction 1500, show a loss. No, please. It's an exemption. Exemption can never exceed income. Capital gain आया 5 lakh. You have sold one house and purchased another house for 8 lakhs. How much exemption you will take? 54. Only 5. Yes. So this is maximum up to 1500 per child. Only up to 2 children? No, no. Whatever may be the number of the children. Okay. Now one exception, two exceptions, sorry, to the rule that minor's income is clubbed in the hands of the parent. Two exceptions are there. One is minor is having skill, income from skill, talent, and some vocational hobbies, painting and all those cases. So minor's income will not be clubbed in the hands of the parents. If minor is getting income from some skill, the small children, they come in Indian Idol and dance programs and all. Whatever income they get, their parent will find their self return as guardian, not clubbing. Second is in case the minor is handicapped, because when a minor is handicapped, he is getting deduction in ATU lump sum. That's why minor's income is not clubbed. So clubbing of minor is clear, clubbing of spouse is clear, and now transfer to wife and to daughter-in-law directly or indirectly, that is also clubbed. चलो इसके लिए we will share the screen. I hope this revision was helpful to all of you. एक more than 45 minutes we are in front of the screen. Let the screen be like this. इसके बाद we'll do interesting MCQs and true and false fill in the blanks. Section कौन सा है minor का? I forgot to, you didn't remind. एग्जाम में आता है मैच द पेज में. What is the section for the minor? 1032. Here it is. Yes. And minor includes the stepchild and adopted child. Shall you read this? And if you also want to take a break, take a very quick break of just exactly 2 minutes. Go off screen and come back. And we are continuing for another 40 minutes for MCQs. Okay. Yes. So we are back. I hope all of you are also back. What is the doubt? पहले doubt clear करते हैं. Minor clubbing का read किया? Some of you are not interested. MCQs and all practice. In fact, some of the MCQs are really superb. Chalo. 1 minute. What is the doubt? Ma'am, adopted child income also clubbed in the hands of the parents? Yes, yes, yes. When we say clubbing of minor child includes adopted child and stepchild. So adopted child's income is also clubbed in the hands of the parents. Yeah, 1032 is the section for the minor child. और कोई doubt? So can I skip reading this? ये minor का पूरा हो गया. It should be clubbed in the hands of the parent. And if they are divorced, income of minor will be clubbed in the hands of parents who maintain it. अच्छा, one googly here while solving the problem. Listen carefully. We say minor's income is clubbed in the hands of the parent who is having higher income. But within the parent also clubbing is there, no? My spouse income may be clubbed in my hands. So first within husband and wife, they are called as spouse in income tax. Do all the clubbing. Husband and wife के हाथ में whatever is the clubbing you do, and after clubbing their mutual income, put a line across in the exam. Do the total, and then whichever's income is higher, in that all the minor's income you club headwards. Am I clear what I am saying? Husband and wife's own income plus clubbed income. This put together, whichever is higher income will be clubbed. Okay? Right. Chalo. I'm doing it since the beginning. So if you don't transfer the asset, without transfer of asset, if you transfer the income, that's taxable in your hands. If it is a revocable transfer, revocable means I'm saying I'm going to Canada and you keep my shares, and whatever income you get, dividend and interest, debenture interest, you enjoy. When I come back, no, give me back. So revocable transfer means I have not transferred 100%. I have kept some, what do you say? I've kept some interest in that. In that case, such income will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. Okay? And suppose if it is irrevocable during the lifetime, clubbing will not be done so long as beneficiary is alive. So lifetime clubbing नहीं होगा, तो फिर किसके हाथ में taxable होगा? Transferee till the lifetime, and afterwards it will be taxable in the hands of the. Okay, this is irrevocable during the lifetime of beneficiary. Clubbing will not be done so long as the beneficiary is alive. Okay, till then it will be in the hands of the transferee. Clubbing नहीं होगा फिर. Okay, after that it will be revoked. So it will come back again to the transferor. Chalo, next now. Income of the spouse. Salary, commission and all if the spouse is receiving from the firm and spouse is not qualified, then it will be clubbed. If qualified, no problem. Hmm? And when they say you have substantial interest in a concern, it's 20% of voting power himself or along with his relatives. Relatives means father, mother, brother, sister, son, like that. All. सबको मिला के. And if you transfer any asset to spouse and they have reinvested it, proportionate income. So I have given 3 lakhs to my husband and 5 lakhs he has himself put. He is doing with business with 8 lakhs and on 8 lakhs he has earned 1 lakh income. So 1 lakh ka 5 by 8 will be taxable in my husband. 1 lakh ka 3 by 8 will be taxable in my hands. We have done problems like this. Proportionate clubbed income will be taxable. Okay, right. Minors income we have done and cross transfers are like super. I am teaching right now in final transfer pricing. That is in a way this cross transfers and all these are also called in at advanced level. सिर्फ एक word है, नाम तो मालूम होना चाहिए आपको. GAR, General Anti Avoidance Rules. See, Mr. Y is gifting his friend Mr. Z's son 5 lakh rupees. And Mr. Z is making FD for Mr. Y's wife, Mrs. Y. Are you getting? Mr. Y is giving 5 lakh rupees cash gift to Z ka son. Who is Z? His friend. And Z is giving Z is making FD of 5 lakh in the name of Mrs. Y. Indirectly, Mr. Y is giving to Mrs. Y. Cross transfers. So, we in law, we study a topic which is called as lifting of corporate weight. So, you look into the picture and if these cross transfers are just to avoid the tax, then it will become taxable. Same way, splitting of the income of HUF, ये भी बताया था. When HUF is partitioned, HUF के पार्टीशन के 4 हिस्से हुए. एक मिस्टर ए का, एक मिसेज ए का, एक सन एज डॉटर डी. So HUF is partitioned and A has thrown his personal property into the HUF and through that common property partition में A's personal properties 1/4 part went to Mrs. A in form of partition. I want to repeat. Mr. A has transferred his personal property to HUF. He has thrown it in common hodgepodge. ठीक है? तब तो fine है. Income will be clubbed in the hands of Mr. A only. Now that property belongs to HUF, so it is partitioned. 1/4 part goes to Mrs. A. So indirectly Mr. A is giving Mrs. A. This 1/4 part's income will be taxable in the hands of Mr. A. And income is taxed. Income on income is not taxed. I have given, say, a car to my husband. He is getting rental income from car which is clubbed in my hands. Fine. I have transferred asset to spouse without consideration. So that rental income is taxable in my hands. That rental income my husband has made FD. On FD interest is received. Income is clubbed. Income on income. On rental income FD interest is not clubbed. Same way, shares, if I have given you club में shares. On shares you get bonus shares, right shares, all those of that all belongs to you. So that's all for this clubbing topic. This is the only head, listen all of you dear students. This is the only head where you are allowed to compute the income in column form. Yes, in the column form you are allowed to compute the income. Okay. When you attend these revision classes in a committed way, That shows your commitment for this profession. That shows that you have got your aim very clear, that you want to become a CMA. उसके लिए CMA final के 8 subjects, for that CMA enters 8 subjects, and for that this income tax revision class. So when you are focused to achieve your goal, nothing can stop you from doing. I'm literally saying no bookish, this is all. I read my diaries in 2001, just qualified as a CA, and I, from the time I decided to become a CA inter and final, that time only I used to teach accounts to my friends. I say booster notes and all for myself I will make, and they will Xerox, I'll explain. So I'd written somewhere in 2001, I don't want to practice, I want to teach, at least someday I can teach foundation students. And now 2021, I'm teaching foundation inter and final. So this is, like, please, I'm not saying all this for my praises. I want to motivate you all. And very average student, 10th class 63% and 12th class commerce, that to CEC 67%. Fine. So, but this is one thing very clear, ki hardcore effort which you have already put in. So don't leave the commitment that we will do, humko sab aata hai. When a teacher is sparing time to take these revision classes extra, you should be committed enough to attend, ask your doubts, and listen to the revision. There's some importance of this. Yeah. Okay, what is the next doubt? Madam, a small clarification. Minor, do we assess higher income of parents every year? No, no, dear. Again, I want to make it clear. Minor income is clubbed in the hands of the parent who has higher income in the first year when you are clubbing. Full stop. Once you have clubbed in the hands of the father in 1920, in 2021, 21, 22, whoever's income is higher, don't bother. Just the file will go on, Income tax may your file is added to the file of your father. So every year the clubbing will be done in the hands of the father till you become 18 years, and then you have to file your own return. Your doubt is clear? चलो और क्या डाउट था? या मैम, कैन यू वंस एक्सप्लेन 6414? ऐसे सेक्शंस पूछ लेते हैं आप एकदम. जरूर जरूर, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. 6414, where asset is transferred to spouse, okay, otherwise than for adequate consideration or in connection with live apart. See, in divorce, so of course the husband has to give some property, some cash to wife, no? It is called as some alimony or ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं, and that is not taxable. But otherwise, when asset is transferred to spouse without adequate consideration, out of love and affection, then income from asset is taxable in the hands of the husband. Husband has transferred asset to spouse, then, the thing is, husband has transferred asset to spouse. I told you the case of long back, Tina Ambani, she got a yacht boat as a gift from Anil Ambani. This is an actual case. So as long as wife or spouse is using, no problem. But if she gets rental income, giving it out for parties, this rental income will be clubbed in the hands of husband. And this rental income, when it is clubbed in the hands of husband, इसमें एक exception है, house property. This clubbing provision is not there for house property. अच्छा, now directly this is taxable, no? So what some people they do, husband is transferring the gift to a beneficiary, and through that beneficiary 100% the gift is going to spouse. So indirectly also वो भी होगा. If asset is transferred otherwise than for adequate to a person or to AOP, income of which is for the immediate or deferred benefit of spouse. So transferred directly to spouse or to daughter-in-law, directly or indirectly, all is taxed. अच्छा, इसमें सिर्फ एक मैम, व्हाट अबाउट द गिफ्ट? आजकल बहुत ही ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, दादाजी सीधे अपने ग्रैंडसन को ही गिफ्ट दे देते हैं. Will the clubbing provisions come? Answer is no. What about father giving gift to son? No. Only two relations. Now this chapter is not touched up. When it is made in that time they said, okay, give to spouse and give to daughter-in-law. Finish. Same is continued. They have not added the brothers and sisters and son. So can father give gift to son? Answer is yes. Will it be taxable? No. बिल्कुल taxable नहीं होगा. Still any doubt? The screen is open for the Word document. पूछो. Yes. So we can spare some half an hour more to take up the MCQs and all for these two topics, no? 1 minute, I'll share the file. Okay, here we go. If you need this sheet, I will ask sir to send you also. Mark few questions which are really very important in this. So we can take up that first time comments. We will take all the others also. Okay, chalo. These are the MCQ questions for set off and carry forward of losses. Let us start from the first. Routine class, so we are never starting from the first, no? I hope you are not opening the answer even if sir has sent you. It's a promise. You are solving it with me. Say yes. Be honest. Let us see how much you know. Loss from speculative business of a particular assessment year can be set off in the same assessment year. So it's a loss from speculative business. कहाँ set off होगा? Only speculative income. Correct? Right. Loss, see, we are lacking the times I'm not reading, but sometimes the points are nearby, to make sure you read all the provisions. Loss on owning and maintaining horse races can be set off in business income, horse races, any other head or any of the above, only in income from horse races. हॉर्स रेसेस का इनकम तो हॉर्स रेस में होगा और वो सेट ऑफ भी करना पड़ेगा. राइट. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट. नाउ लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल लॉस कैन बी सेट ऑफ in the same assessment year in short term and long term both, or only long term, or only short term, or any of above? Only long term. क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? मैं टिक कर रही हूँ और चले जा रहा है. हाँ, no, answer for the fourth one is B. Long term capital loss can be set off in long term capital gain only. ठीक है? There are some googly questions. I feel they are very interesting. Let us take them. Loss under the head capital gain can be set off from any other head of the income. Be carry forward. Neither be set off nor carry forward, or none of the above. It can be carried forward. Capital gain में if there is a loss, it cannot be set off with other heads, but can be carried forward. Answer is yes. B bit. ठीक है? Right. Sixth one, I want all of you to read on your own and answer. Did we take a separate class for 115 BAC? And I'll send you the link of all the playlist where I have kept the revisions of business head salary. सब है उसमें. कुछ एडलेस के कॉन्सेप्ट. सो कीप ऑन वाचिंग दोस वीडियोस व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू वॉच फॉर रिवीजन. बोलो. If you go for 115 BAC alternative tax regime, can you set off the loss under house property? Be allowed to be set off from any other head? Be allowed to be set off with other heads up to 2 lakh? Not allowed to be set off. Not allowed to be set off from any other head, but will be allowed to be carried forward. True. Very good, Sampath. अभी देखो क्या है 115 BAC में House property within the head you do and carry forward, but you can't go outside and set off up to 2 lakhs. That's not allowed. 115 days here. Losses are not allowed to be set off. ठीक है, राइट, ये टिक वाला आप कर लेना, सिंपल है. चलो, कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं which I have star marks so that there are calculations in that and you can do their very good. Next one. During the previous year, SSC has incurred business loss 120 and house property income 110. Can we set off business loss and house property? Yes. अभी भी बिजनेस लॉस कितना बाकी होगा कैरी फॉरवर्ड के लिए? 10,000. Business loss and claim full exemption loss at his option. No. Yeah. Now, loss under business and profession other than specified business 35AD can be set off in the same year in income under other head, income under other head except salary, income except house property, or none of the above. आप बोलो, 9th का आंसर बोलो. You can set off business loss including 35AD. Where can you set off the business loss including 35AD? One and 3 are not friends. Super. B is the correct answer. Income under any other head except salary. ठीक है. Loss from specified business referred in 35AD can be set off. 35AD कहाँ से set off होगा? Salary से, business head से, profit from only specified business. C1. The 35AD loss can be set off only in 35AD income, but if not, it can carry forward for indefinite period. Loss other than loss from house property is allowed to be carried forward only when an SSC has furnished return of loss. So true. Except house property, you have to furnish the return of loss. No. In clubbing, actually, I've really marked some problems are there with the calculations also. तो वो सब करेंगे. पहले इसको खत्म करते हैं. Is my speed fine or you want me to go still slow? Please put me a message. Clear है या नहीं? 12th का आंसर. अच्छा, it's already C. I should also read. Loss under head house property can be carried forward only if return is furnished, even if it is not furnished, even if return is furnished after the due date. See, you can't set off the carry forward the loss if return is not furnished. You have to furnish the return, but belated return chalega for house property. Belated return will do. Business loss can be carried forward and set off in subsequent year when business on account of which loss was arisen is continued or not. Continue करो या ना करो? Continued for at least part of the year, none of the above. No, not necessary. Business is continued. एक ही है, income from horse races के लिए it is necessary. I hope you are feeling that, ma'am, things are repeated in last 1.5 hours. Then that's what my purpose is. Understood? Fine. Now it's time to remember, no? Chalo. A business loss other than loss from specified business referred to in 35AD can be carried forward for a maximum. Now this is business loss. Other than loss from specified business, 35AD. It can be carried forward for 8 years, 4 years, 6 years, indefinite. 8 years. Speculative loss, 4 years. Specified business, indefinite. Loss from specified business referred in 35AD can be carried forward and set off from income of specified business only. अब ये सब repeat हैं, same ही आ रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? So we can skip some of them which are very easy. 4 years, 8 years. 23rd करते हैं. Brought forward loss can be set off in 8 years, must be set off in immediate succeeding year and balance in the immediate next year. or as per B but within the time limit, or as per B within 4 years? Answer is C. 23rd आंसर इज सी. थोड़ा सा गूगली है, ध्यान से देखो. Can we set off brought forward loss in the next year? In the next, you can say, ma'am, this year income is low. Can I skip? So next year say it karo. No, no, please. These are 8 consecutive years from the very next year. 2021 का loss है. 21-22 first year. Like this 8 years and it will lapse. So you have to set off one after the another in the time frame. 8 years, 4 years, whatever it may be. ठीक है? Right. This is actually asked in final exam many times, but आपको ये पैरा तो है CMA में. CA exam तो it is not there. In case of amalgamation, carry forward of business loss and unabsorbed depreciation. कितने साल के लिए होगा? Then it is, you can carry it forward and you can set off whether it is industrial undertaking, ship or hotel or banks में भी होता है, cooperative bank. Everywhere amalgamation, it is allowed to be set off provided the business and all you carry forward for 5 years, 3/4 machinery you don't sell and all that, and they can carry it forward for fresh 8 years. Fresh, this answer I am only sharing with you. You can carry forward the loss in the new company, business loss for fresh 8 years and unabsorbed depreciation for indefinite period. ठीक है? क्लियर है? I think we've completed with the major questions, huh? और sections कुछ पूछते हैं like 72A, they will write one side. Match the pairs. That's I think very scoring. This one you should star mark. Private company or closely held company cannot carry forward and loss unless on the last day of the previous year 51% of the beneficially held shares are same as the one जिस दिन loss हुआ था उस दिन, and now 51% shares are same. Okay. Speculative loss can be carried forward for maximum of. Please wait for clubbing. up clubbing में तो थोड़े questions हैं. MCQ, these are little simple ones. थोड़े और they are asking the problems also कि business loss इतना है, capital gain कितना है, कितना set off होगा and all. Speculative loss can be carried forward for how many years? 4 years. चलो, pick up your notebook and answer no, true, false, T, F ऐसे लिखो. 2 minutes time given to you. इसके बाद we'll go to the clubbing. ये करो, खुद से करो. Read and put answer in your notebook. That will build genuine confidence. कि आप कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं. Yes. Okay. True and false are very tricky. Please remember. थोड़ा carefully answer देना है आपको. काफी tricky है. False, 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 true. Monica, third answer is wrong. For Sampath, first answer is wrong. Second is correct. करो करो, अच्छा कर रहे हैं. Some of you don't want to put it in the chat and you're just writing in notebook. Okay, no problem. Take 5 minutes time. I'm here. Are you enjoying this way of preparing the objectives after doing the concept? Please give a feedback. जरूरी है. No, fifth is not true, it's false. Yeah, some question you are asking. Ma'am, under 115 BSc is intra-head set off or Okay, nice question. When you go for alternative tax regime, no, 115 BAC, intrahead is allowed. Intrahead is allowed, or else carry forward. Interhead is not allowed. You can't bring the loss outside. That is there. Most of you are giving wrong answers for this. चलो अच्छा है, मजा आ रहा है. So I will come to know how to discuss. And I'm telling you on, this is a challenge. It's very easy to solve. What do you say? MCQs. You know, in Hindi we call it तुक्का लग जाता है कभी कभी. No, true and false. It's not like that. And some at the levels ahead, you know, in final, it's like true and false with reasoning. So unless you don't know the reason. 33 वाला ठीक है, करेक्ट है. ओके हारिका, यू आर गिविंग फर्स्ट 3 आंसर्स करेक्ट. करो करो, बाकी लोग भी करो. व्हेन इट इज ओवर टेल मी. Okay, 30 is true. See now, Tejas, you are saying 30 is true with up to 2 lakh. तो गलत है ना आधा. See, it's not that I'm doing critics for anyone. It's so beautiful to realize your own mistake so that you don't do that mistake in the final exam. 37th is true. False, true, false. Harika. 35, 30. Are you all enjoying? So I feel these all the students, this list should go in final then by next year. चलो अच्छा है. Okay, enough time I gave you. Let me discuss with all of you. First, only lot of googly was there, and this one I'll discuss. Short-term capital loss can be set off from any other head of income in the same assessment year. Okay, short-term capital loss can be set off from any other income in the same assessment year. Answer is false. In the same year also, short-term capital loss can be set off only in short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain. They cannot go to other heads, no. Can we set off this year's short-term capital loss in this year's house property income, business income? क्या हम कर सकते हैं ऐसे? Answer is no. ठीक है? So those some of you are saying true, make it false. See, I want to MCQs में I went little fast. Now I want to go little slow. क्योंकि ये you know, unless you don't try to justify the reason, you can't write FFTT. If in exam you are allowed to write true, false, एक के नीचे एक without reasoning in the CMA inter. Final में with reasoning है, तब देखेंगे क्या करना है. चलो. Now all of you stop solving it ahead. अभी अपने अपने आंसर्स यू नो आप सबके पास है. बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ. If an SSC has incurred any loss under the head of income in particular year, it can set off from any other head of income in the same year. Answer is false. If this year you have a loss, this year you cannot set off in all the heads. 1 and 3 are not friends. Brought forward house property loss can be set off from income under the head house property in the subsequent assessment year? Answer is yes. And Tejas and others 2 lakh का limit यहाँ नहीं है. I want to again repeat, house property loss within the same head now or carry forward. There's no limit of 2 lakh. 2 lakh is intra-head. If you have loss in house property 3 lakh, 1 lakh you carry forward. 2 lakhs you bring it outside to set off. ठीक है, बोलिए. So brought forward house property loss. Are you all clear with the 30th one? Can we set off an income from house property in the subsequent year? Answer is yes. So can I say this is true? Loss can be set off only by assessing as incurred. अरे false. अब भी आपको पढ़ा है amalgamation में. Your company is merged in my company. Even I am allowed to set off the loss. So where is the question कि loss can be set off only by that assessing? That assessee is closed. It's allowed in amalgamation. So it's false. No loss. Are you getting the conflict? And if you are correct, many of you are giving answers absolutely correct. Very good. No loss can be carried forward unless the return of loss is furnished on or before due date. Answer is false. House property मिलता है ना. Loss can be set off against clubbed income also. Can we set off loss in the clubbing of income? Yes. Answer is true. Allowed it. So I have a loss in house property. My minus rental income is clubbed and there it is income. Can we set off? Yes. Loss under capital gain can neither be set off nor carry forward. 34. False. Why? Because in the same year you can set off in long-term capital gain. No, long-term capital loss. It's allowed. Okay? Business loss is allowed to be carried forward only when SSA has furnished return on time. True. Only house property loss you can carry forward even if you have not submitted the return. Loss from house property can be carried forward even if return is not furnished. ये क्या बात हुई? True or false? I want all of you to answer again. 36 में क्या लिखा है आपने? House property loss can be carried forward even if. Yes, say 36. Answer is false. Why true? अभी भी कुछ लोग ट्रू बोल रहे हैं. क्यों? House property loss can be carried forward if you file late return. Then also they are allowing that emotion. But you have to file the return. Without filing the return, 1 rupee also you cannot carry forward. Go out of the class practically. You upload your returns in that, you put loss. Then next year it will be set off and all. आप return ही नहीं भर रहे तो how the department will come to know? So I want to repeat, if you want, write a note for this in your book. All the other losses carry forward only if return is filed on time. House property allowed to be carried forward even if return is filed late. But return file करना तो mandatory है. Very much mandatory to file the return. I hope you are enjoying this. Business can be carried forward and set off in the subsequent assessment year, whether business on account of which loss is continued or not. True. Not necessary to have business continue. And loss on account of owning and maintaining can be carried forward indefinitely. False. It can be carried forward only for 4 years. Are you getting a grip on how they are going to ask you questions on this? Chalo. Okay, fill in the blanks are quite simple. You check it and send me a click for whatever you are not getting. Okay, we are going to clubbing now. 1 second. Clubbing में ना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के ऐसे भी देर आस्ते हैं. Are you able to see the clubbing on screen I have shared? Clubbing. Chalo. पहले थर्ड क्वेश्चन, आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. Check and see if you can answer. This small topic will finish fast. Third one. If there is a transfer of asset which is not revocable during the lifetime of the transferee. अच्छा पहले first दो करते हैं तो it will be clear. It's related to transfer without transfer of asset. If there is a transfer of income without transfer of asset, such income will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. If there is a revocable transfer, still it will be clubbed in the hands of transferor. Yes. अब ये क्या हो रहा है? Right. Now, if there is a transfer of asset which is not revocable during lifetime of the transferee, and income arising from such asset will be included in the income of transferee till the death. Thereafter, in the hands of the transferor. I hope you are getting. One asset is transferred by A to B till the person are alive. Clubbing nahi hoga. I mean, say I'll not take back. A saying, okay, promise. Till both of us are alive, I'll not take back the asset. So there's no question of clubbing. This income will be taxable in the hands of transferee. But if B is deceased, then this automatically comes back to A and it will be taxable in the hands of A. इसको रीड करो. 2 minutes I am pausing. आप रीड करो. बोलो. Anyone is still having doubt? And all the three are linked actually, and they're really superb. Yeah, I'll repeat. If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat. Listen. A transferred an asset to B, which is not revocable till the lifetime, A or B. So when it is not revocable, revocable मतलब वापस नहीं आएगा A को. So there is no question of clubbing, no, that B's income should be clubbed in A. Here, why we are clubbing in the hands of transferor? Because it is revocable. Now I am saying A has transferred asset to B, which is not revocable during lifetime. So for the whole lifetime, income किसके हाथ में taxable होगी? B के हाथ में. But if B is deceased, any one of them is deceased, asset will come back to A. Who said that? Condition. It is revocable after the lifetime. The lifetime खत्म होने के बाद it's coming back. So now in whose hands it will be taxable? A. So it will be taxable in the hands of transferee till the death. No clubbing. Don't club income in the hands of the A. B के हाथ में रहने दो. Yeah. Ma'am, if the asset is transferred without adequate consideration, then in whose hands it is taxable? If it is without adequate consideration, then it will be taxable in the hands of transferor. कोई भी रहने दो, कोई भी रहने दो. Without adequate consideration. And if it is without adequate consideration to that relatives, spouse and daughter-in-law, the income is clubbed. And to others, it's not clubbed because the reason is it's treated as gift, no? And anyhow, they are paying the tax on the gift. If I have transferred a house property to you, which is worth 50 lakhs at 1 lakh rupees. So in your income, 49 lakhs is added. Bas. अब वो rental income मेरे हाथ में tax नहीं होगी. It's like wholesale consideration. Gift में आ गया ना? It's already covered. चलो. Relatives definition, I hope all of you know, spouse, brother, अब बाकी के confuse करने दे. 7th one is nice. When spouse of an individual gets remuneration from a concern in which individual has substantial interest, such remuneration is clubbed in all cases only when the remuneration received due to is technical or professional. In all cases except when the remuneration is received due to technical qualification, none of the above. क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? spouse is getting salary and remuneration. Yeah, chat is open, डालो अपने answers. One second. Yeah. C1, very, very perfect. In all the cases, it will be clubbed except when spouse is getting the income due to technical qualification. तब फिर clubbing नहीं होगा. ठीक है? Right. I'm skipping some of the questions which are very easy because of the time constraint. चलो 9th वाला देखते हैं कि आप कैसे solve करते हो. अच्छा है. Are sold 2014% debentures of 100 at 90,000. Market value of the debentures on the date of the transfer is 180 and he is transferred to wife out of love and affection for inadequate consideration. Market value 180 थी तो spouse को सिर्फ 90 में दिए, आधी वैल्यू में. Now in this case interest income, will it be clubbed in the hands of our husband? Yes or no? Then answer I am saying yes. तो कितना? Calculate करके बताओ. 4 answers are given to you. How much interest will be clubbed in the hands of R? %14 is the debenture interest. और फ्रेंडली बताओ ना तो सब कैलकुलेशन. नो teachers, that's not the right answer dear, but appreciate it so much, at least you're trying to answer. बाकी लोग करो करो. Okay, you are not having investment chapter no in accounts, so may not be clear with one something very basic. पर issue of shares debentures तो पढ़े होंगे. बोलो. हाँ 25,200 का आधा है 12,600. नो. अब ऐसे नो करके घूम के लाइफ लाइन इज ओवर. 2 से ज्यादा आंसर मत दो, दूसरों को देने दो. फिर तो आप पूरे चारों आंसर लिख दोगे, कोई ना कोई तो करेक्ट बोल ही देंगे मैम. ऐसे मत करो. अभी तक किसी ने करेक्ट नहीं. आई टोल्ड यू क्लबिंग प्रॉब्लम्स आर लिटिल ट्रिकी एंड दीज लेवल ऑफ एमसीक्यूज आर आस्क्ड. many of them, थोड़े many तो नहीं, थोड़े लोग they have left. 3 to 4 they are missing this. Maybe network issue or what, I don't know. Something basic is not clear to all of you. Okay, one hint I am giving you. Irrespective of market value of debentures, interest is always calculated on face value. You have purchased 100 rupees shares of MRF tires in 80,000. You will get dividend 50% on 100 or 80,000. 100. Dividend and interest are always given on the face value. And what is face value? 2,000 into 100. Face value कितना है? Can I write here? आप सबको समझ में आएगा. देखो, नहीं अभी तक किसी ने करेक्ट नहीं दिया. You want more time? Take it as a challenge. Almost 2 hours we are together. अभी तो करेक्ट करो आंसर. कोई तो. Right, united we stand. If all the chats were open ना तो कोई तो देख लेते थे. Appreciate it so much. You are trying to just to get this correct. That shows your inquisitiveness and I really like it. Chalo. Now one thing is clear to all of you. Irrespective of the market value, interest is paid on the face value. 2,000 debentures of 100 each. 14% interest comes to 28,000. Now I have transferred the debentures to my wife. I have taken 90,000 consideration. No, पूरा free में तो नहीं दिया ना. 180 की जगह I have taken 90. So half of the interest, 14,000 is the correct answer. Now it must be like, oh, we were saying 25,200. You all were taking interest on 180, wrong. Some of you were taking half, wrong. Some of you were taking 28 full, wrong. आंसर वाज 14,000. इसको डाइजेस्ट करो, च्यू करके खा जाओ 2 मिनट. टेक टाइम. इट्स अ सुपर क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डू यू से? ऐड करें? आपके जूनियर्स आ रहे हैं ना फाउंडेशन से नेक्स्ट बैच में, उनको पढ़ा दें कि उनको भी एमसीक्यूज में ही मिलना है. अच्छा, still some of you are not clear. Why am I taking half? Then listen. 180 is the sale consideration I should receive from my spouse. I mean, say I should receive from wife. 90 the wife has paid. No. Clubbing is when something is given for inadequate consideration. So 90 the wife has paid and purchased. So 90 related 1 lakh के जो debentures है, 1000 debentures, its spouse you have paid and they are yours. Out of 180 she paid 90, no. So what is going free, that is clubbed. Now is it clear to you? संपर्क पढ़ो, अभी clear है या नहीं? Right. Okay, chalo. We'll take up the next question. That is also very interesting. I hope you have finished writing this part, because I'm deleting this so that you can read the next question. Where an individual transfers the house property to wife without adequate consideration, income from house property shall be subject of 64 clubbing, or 27 transfer shall be deemed to be owner of the house property and taxable under 22 house property में, or none of this. When you transfer house property to spouse, clubbing आने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. But yes, in income from house property, they say if you transfer, house property to someone without adequate consideration, you are the deemed owner, and income will be clubbed in your hands. Please go home, check your house. Go home क्या घर पे ही है, ऑनलाइन क्लास ही चल रहा है, तो you check the definition of deemed owner. I want to repeat if you feel I am going fast. I have transferred property to my spouse out of love and affection. House property ko clubbing provisions are not applicable. But am I the deemed owner? Have I transferred rental income without transferring the asset? Am I the deemed owner? Then house property says rental income will be taxable in the hands of owner. Super. R gift 5 lakh to wife who invested same in partnership. This is a googly for you. Abhi jaldi jaldi correct do. We all are getting late. R gives 5 lakh to wife who has invested same in firm. Mrs. R receives 265 as per the share of profit. In this case, amount to be clubbed in the hands of R. You have gifted the money. She invested in partnership firm. And Mrs. R receives 265 as the profit. Mrs. R has entered partnership with a third person, but जो R से gift आया, that she invested and she got share of profit. So it is clubbed in the hands of the R. 265, 15,000 after giving 250 exemption, nil, 15,000 if wife is less than 60 years, and all 4 bits. क्या आंसर है? I want you all to answer the 12th bit. How much of wives, if I give money to my spouse and if he is getting income, that income is clubbed in my hands. So will 265 be clubbed in my hands? Answer please, I am waiting. Karo. Answer is A. Okay. Or A. Okay. एक अच्छा कर रहे हो, एक भूल जा रहे हो आप लोग। ए, ओके मैम, if she is professional or technical connection, then no, don't club two things. Spouse is not getting salary and remuneration where we see technical skills. I have gifted to spouse, my spouse has invested in a partnership firm. R has given gift to Mrs. R and she has invested in a partnership firm with Mrs. A. और वहां से इनकम आई है आर को 265. विल दिस इनकम बी क्लब्ड इन हैंड्स ऑफ आर? वैसा नो नो, दिस इज नॉट सैलरी रेम्यूनरेशन केस डियर. Please make sure you spare time to solve these questions again at home. I want some more responses. So many of you are there. And if you feel lot of effort has gone in taking this revision class, बहुत energy लगती है. And great efforts from sir also to make up all these material and all and send to you on time. If you feel it is fruitful, next time get all the others who have missed today. Revision classes are very important. See, the portion is over. If we say the portion is over, done nothing. But every week Thursday, if we take one class now, we can be together till exam. And I'm telling you, next Thursday I'm going to take deduction. So if you read and come, your listening will be like a super clear level. मैम चैप्टर नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको, मैम रिविजन करा रहे हैं, तो आप रीड करके और डिडक्शंस का चैप्टर. Yeah, why some of more should answer? Harika, Akshita, Haripriya, Anusha. Karo, karo. Try, whatever you feel like is correct answer. Harika is always giving last answer but correct. She's saying answer is nil and answer is nil. Can you explain that? If you cannot type, you are allowed to unmute and say. Why you feel like R gave 5 lakh rupees to Mrs. She invested whatever income you receive, actually that's clubbed in the hands of R. But you are saying the answer is nil. Why? Quick response. Why is it nil? ऐसे ही बोला or you have some reason in your mind? Type quickly or you can unmute and speak. ऐसे कुछ स्पेस ही प्रेस करना पड़ता है ना अनम्यूट के लिए. Listen all of you carefully. I am discussing the answer. I told you clubbing there are some googly problems. So if you have the notebook, write down 9th one, 12th one, number to लिख दो, solve it again at home. Listen. R has gifted 5 lakh to wife. Why she invest outside? Whatever profit she is getting, it should be clubbed in hands of R. But why she didn't do the business? She invested the money in partnership firm. A partnership firm say whatever share of profit you are getting, that is exempt. Share of profit from the firm is exempt because firm itself is paying 30% tax. So firm say if income is coming to Mrs. R or Mr. R, it is exempt. Share of the profit is exempt. Yeah, sure. It is very important and you are so sweet and obedient to take permission and leave, you can. Take care. Bye bye. बाकी लोग समझ में आया? I want to repeat. R has given money to Mrs. R. Mrs. R, wherever she is putting the money, income is clubbed in the hands of R. वो तो promise है. But this time Mrs. R has put the money in partnership firm. So partnership firm say what profit you receive, that is so exempt now. Right? Okay. Next now, 16th. When income of minor is clubbed in hands of parent, such parent is allowed exemption of 1500. If marriage of parent does not subsist, then parents whoever maintains it, in their hands it will be clubbed. So like that we have few more questions. 18th करते हैं. Income of minor who is disability, it will be taxable in the hands of minor only. इनकम ऑफ माइनर मैरिड डॉटर, इसको 5 स्टार खिलाओ, किटकैट खिलाओ. Income of minor married daughter. Will it be clubbed in the hands of husband? No. Will it be clubbed in the hands of the parent? Other than such income is greater? Yes. Not to be clubbed? No. None of the above? No. Bilkul club hoga. Minor married daughter. Or last one I want you all to answer, please. If any income has to be clubbed under 64, it will be clubbed under the I discussed it while revision of relevant head. Not in other income from other sources. का नाम is residuary head, but it's not बचा कुचा head. Huh? Right? So these are some very important things. True and false are simple. Will you do at home? ठीक है, चलो कुछ करते हैं. All income that accrues to minor child will be clubbed in total income of parent whose income is higher. True. All income. No, sorry, false. Not all the income of the minor, no. If it is talent and all, it will not be clubbed. Acha, same minor who is having income from talent and he's filing his own return, he is having other income also. So other income will be clubbed. Talent income will not be clubbed. False, huh? Answer is false. Income of one person is clubbed in the hands of another. Then in case of loss, the loss shall be clubbed. Super true. If your income is clubbed in my hands, your loss benefit also I should get. This I say in routine class also. Salary received. Am I very clear? Salary received by spouse of individual from a concern in which such individual along with his relative has substantial interest shall be clubbed. Salary is received by spouse of individual in which individual along with receive has substantial or clubbed in all the cases false. If it is derived by skill and talent तो club नहीं होगा false. If there is a revocable transfer, any income arising from asset shall be included in the income of transferor. False. हाँ revocable transfer है तो true. Really sorry, why I am doing mistake now. True, true, true. If it is a revocable transfer, then income is clubbed in the hands of transferor. But if it is not revocable during lifetime, no club. Chalo. If option 115 BAC is not exercised, income of minor is clubbed in the hands of the parent. 115 BAC is a new provision, surely chances of getting the question. So make sure you practice that a lot and separate video is also uploaded for that. If you want, you can revise it 4 times, 5 times. Karo wahan se. Such parent will be allowed exemption to the extent actual income or 1500. ठीक है, true. Every minor child के लिए 1500 तक का तो मिलेगा. And these are fill in the blanks. I think they are all repeated. Yeah. Few questions which I have left. If you feel, ma'am, we are not able to get and interpret the answer for the fill in the answers are there at the end, but you write it in the printout and then check how many you are getting correct. If you are getting wrong, try to understand yourself. Still you are not getting, click the photo and send me. And gear up for the weekly revision classes. And already revisions are over for salary, business and capital gain, jumbo topics. So repeatedly solve all the problems. And once you finish the revision and you have solved study material problems, CMA, CA, जो भी आप follow कर रहे हो, and after that, make sure past exams, June 2019, December 19, May 19, whatever is the exam, in that business side, one question will be there for 10 marks. Pick it up and solve it with time limit. So give yourself small test. Of course, after 1.5 months, I'll definitely say in October, 3 घंटे का exam लिख के देखो, with a mindset that you remember everything at a time, business end. But right now, can you give yourself 10 minutes test? Right. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for responding so well in the class, and your enthusiasm is what I really like, and that always motivates me to give more and more. Still, if you feel, ma'am, this topic or this is needed more and earlier, let me know. Otherwise, next week we are revising deductions. And if you really feel these 2 hours were energetic and fruitful, get your friends along. I've taken the coaching, but I'm not seeing few of the names now in the class. Sabko leke aao. The strength should be above 50, which had in our routine class, right or not? Huh? Right. So that will be a great help. कॉन्फिडेंस जेन्यूनली ऐसे ही बढ़ेगा. व्हेन आई से डिडक्शंस रिवीजन, आप रिवाइज करके आओ, अटेंड 2 hours क्लास एंड देन विथ मी यू सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज. देन आफ्टर द क्लास आल्सो, आफ्टर हैविंग योर डिनर वापस बैठ जाओ, तो जेन्यून वाला कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. एंड देन कम एंड टेल मी यू हैव गॉट एग्जेम्पशन. It's a challenge. I'm literally saying to the way we have studied in depth, every chapter, every bit, बहुत patience के साथ. Huh? So more than 190 hours of learning is not a joke for this. You have spared so much time. So make it fruitful by quality revision. Thank you so much. All the best to all of you. Bye bye.